One of my absolute favorite things about Thanksgiving is leftovers. There's nothing quite like Thanksgiving leftovers, but how do you get it to taste exactly the same as it did the day before without drying out your turkey or drying out your potatoes? How do you keep it tasting fresh and delicious? I'm gonna tell you. With the Pacuzzi. And one of my favorite things to make with my Thanksgiving leftovers is a Thanksgiving everything sandwich. So we're gonna use the Pacuzzi to do that. Let's go. I absolutely love that the Pacuzzi is nice and compact. It's super easy to store and it's easy to take with you when you travel, like for the holidays with your family. And it's super easy to use. You just go ahead and press your Pacuzzi into a cold pan, and then you're going to fill it using that little measuring cup full of water until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, go ahead and put all of the food you want to warm up into the pan. I love that this keeps your food nice and moist. It tastes so delicious. This literally took me 5 minutes to heat up using the Pacuzzi, and I am so excited to taste this sandwich. All right, here we go. Did the Pacuzzi make my everything Thanksgiving leftover sandwich any better than last year? Let's find out. This is so good.